Hello everyone, this is Pamper Chew. It's labeled a 5103N. I'm not sure if that's the right number. I couldn't find it right away online. And $7.50. Says it's for parts only. CRT is dim. Emits smoke. No further testing. And that was just a few days ago. I've gone into this and cleaned it up, wiped down everything, and checked for any problems. I didn't see any. It is kind of neat how it's all socketed transistors, so if there's something wrong and I need to work on, very easy to get into. So I'm going to go ahead and just plug it in. I'll start with a 100-watt light bulb. Alright, and let's see, that's power there. Okay, here's power. Bulb is getting dimmer, a little bit dimmer. This is a dual beam storage tube. It has 2 electron guns and can store an image on the display using the CRT. Well, I don't see anything. Oh, I did see something there. Turn the intensity all the way up. There's something. Brightness. Something else. There's the other beam kind of coming up there. Starting to warm up. Let me put in a bigger bulb. Ooh, hot. Okay, there's a 200 water. And just put that in there. Okay. Not even lighting up. And there's the beam come up. Now it should be flashing when I do that. It should flash the entire screen with the green color. Maybe it works differently than my other one. Well, that's all I can do with it until I get some modules, I guess. But yeah, there you go. A dual beam storage tube. So this is what a storage tube does when it's working. When it's warming up, it's you should always put it on highest intensity and let it sit for 5 minutes. That eliminates excess electrons from the ion trap. Once it's warmed up enough, you should be able to draw pictures. Intensity down now. So this kind of tube would have been used for storing information if you're measuring a device, but you can't store it in some kind of memory, or memory didn't exist yet. This is how it would be displayed. So charts and graphs could be loaded onto the screen and stored, and then either photographically copied or on magnetic tape stored that way. And when it's all being done and you're done with it, it can be reset. The reset clears the entire screen. On this one, since it's a dual beam, it has 2 separate clear sections. What I've read is that the bottom half is one section that can be written and cleared to, and the top half is the same thing, that are separate from each other. Today I decided to plug this in and see what it does. It is a mainframe for Tektronix, from Tektronix, R7704. It's the same exact one as this, 7704A, except it's a rack mount version instead of a cart version. So I've got a few light bulbs here ready. I've actually tested it kind of ahead of time, just for a few seconds, and I wasn't able to get anything but a flashing power supply turning on and off from lack of power. So I put in a 200 watt light bulb, and we'll see what it does. Power's on. I'm not expecting anything on the screen. I think it needs modules for that to happen. Oh. Something. Shouldn't be that bright though. Jeez, that's really hard to turn. Oh. Why is it so bright? It's all turned down. Oh, I saw some oscillation there. Well, let me plug in one of the modules. First, I was going to try something on mine that I know works. I was going to plug it in without modules and see what it does. Alright. What does it do? Nothing. And it's set to left vert mode, B, left vert. Okay. Left vert mode, B, left vert. Okay, yeah, it shouldn't be doing that. Interesting. I guess I could plug it in straight to the wall. Just plug it in right over here. What the hell? Full power. Ah, just lack of power that was doing it. Okay. I will plug in the modules then. So I'm going to put in this one because the plugs in the back don't look too good. Alright, take this off of here. So this time I'm going to switch to the right vert instead of the left. Those are in right vert, vert mode, and power. Oh. Okay. And power. Did I get anything? B, vert mode, right vert. Over here, nothing. These buttons are a little stiff. And this isn't even lighting up. Oh. Well, I have more work to do. So I'm thinking, since when I unplugged the time base unit on the right side, it took out all the signal, all the video that was on the monitor there. It went blank, like this was blank. And I've noticed that some of the pins in there are kind of bent, and the plastic cover, the shroud, is missing on half of that one and all of that one. I have the piece of plastic right here. Same thing over here. Back of the unit, power supply section, cooling fan. I got this for $7.50, and it is identical to this, I'm sure, electrically. The other one I got for $7.50 was this one down here. I'll probably get that one out a little bit later.